So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download Zoom in your computer. So for that, open any web browser in your computer and then search zoom.os. Now you can see this sign in option right here. Now just select it and now log into your account right here. Now guys, you can see this download now option right here. Now just select it and you can choose from one of these options right here to download your Zoom application in your computer. So you can download this Zoom desktop client by clicking on this button, or you can even choose between these two options. If you want to choose 32-bit client, then select this, and if you want to select ARM client, then select this option. I'll go with this one. And now as you can guys see that the Zoom file is now downloading in my computer, and now you can see the Zoom installer now has been initiated to download it in my computer. And now you can see guys that Zoom has been downloaded in my computer. Now I will open it to show it to you. Now you can see the installation was successful. Now select this done option and you have to sign in right here again. So guys, as you can see that Zoom has been completely successfully downloaded in my computer, and just like that you guys can be able to do it in your computers. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.